Estimated that at least 10 to 15% of women with heel cancers have a hereditary predisposition. Women with mutation in BRCA1, BRCA2, and Lynch syndrome have an increased lifetime risk of epithelial ovarian cancer. The lifetime risk in the general population is 1 in 70, 1.4%. The rises to 1 in 20 if women have one family affected by a defect in one of these genes, and further increase to 40 to 40% if two first degree relatives are affected. Hereditary cancers usually occur around 10 years before sporadic cancer associated with अदर कैंसर पर्टिकुलर ब्रेस्ट. तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट बात है, जिनको जेनेटिक्स होती है उनको कैंसर पहले हो जाएगा, और जिनको स्पोरेडिक होता है बिना किसी उसके तो उनको लेट प्रेजेंटेशन होती है. द मोस्ट कॉमन हेरिडिटरी कैंसर इज द ब्रेस्ट ओवेरियन कैंसर सिंड्रोम, अकाउंटिंग फॉर 90% ऑफ हेरिडिटरी कैंसर्स. This syndrome is due to mutation in the tumor suppressor gene BRCA1 and BRCA2. Lynch syndrome is hereditary non-polypous colorectal cancer and is associated with endometrial cancer and a 10% risk of ovarian cancer. Hereditary ovarian cancers tend to be adenocarcinomas present in later stage, with exception of Lynch associated tumors, and recent advances support improved survival, probably due to better response to platinum chemotherapy. तो ये जो लिंक्स वाला होता है ये तो देर में प्रेजेंट करता है, जल्दी प्रेजेंट करता है, बाकी ये लेट प्रेजेंटेशन होता है इनका. Preventing ovarian cancer. Women who test positive of BRC mutations are offered risk-reducing prophylactic BSO when ये है bilateral salpingo-oophorectomy when they have completed their family. This can usually be performed laparoscopically. Prophylactic surgery reduces the risk of ovarian cancer by 90% and premenopausal breast cancer by 50%. Although it does not eliminate the risk of primary peritoneal cancer, it is important to carry out risk-reducing surgery prior to the age-related surge in ovarian cancer observed in BRCA mutation carriers, which is younger in BRCA1 and BRCA2 patients. Another suggestion for risk reduction builds on theory that BRCA-associated ovarian cancers actually originate in the fallopian tube. Hence, performing bilateral salpingectomy with delayed oophorectomy in 30 and early 40 may offset the morbidity associated with surgical menopause in young women. क्योंकि अगर आप ओवरी बचा लोगे तो कम से कम हार्मोन तो बनता रहेगा. दिस स्ट्रेटजी हैज येट टू बी सब्जेक्ट टू रिगरस टेस्टिंग एंड इट्स एफिकेसी इज अननोन. लेकिन अभी ये कंफर्म नहीं है ऐसा. रीसेंट डाटा इंडिकेट that the opportunistic removal of the fallopian tube during hysterectomy for benign indications also reduce ovarian cancer risk in women at average lifetime risk of ovarian cancer. भाई जब यूट्रस आपने निकाल दिया साथ में fallopian tube निकाल दी तो फिर कैंसर के रिस्क अपने आप कम हो जाते हैं. अदर प्रोसीजर एसोसिएटेड विद ओवेरियन कैंसर रिस्क रिडक्शन इंक्लूड ट्यूबल लाइगेशन, स्टेरिलाइजेशन एंड हिस्टेक्टमी. ये हमने पढ़ी लिया है यहाँ पे. विद ओवेरियन कंजर्वेशन तो chemo prevention using the combined OCP reduces ovarian cancer by up to 50% in both BRCA mutation carriers and women at an average risk of ovarian cancers. Screening using transvaginal ultrasound and CA125 measurement has not been shown to improve survival in women with a family predisposition to ovarian